Okay, we finally was right here at the end of the valley. It comes from here actually. You can see how the wood was really bad, and so it was going down here. You can see the plywood right here is really bad, and so even the paper is gone. So as you can see, the water here was going down, and also this side was really bad. See how bad it is, as all the wood is gone. You can see how bad it is right here. It's all bad. So, and it's also right here is really bad. What I'm gonna replace this wood, stick that wood out, and also we find another leak right here in this corner, and the other side. As you can see here, it was coming over here. So we're gonna replace all this bottom part. All the way to almost the top one. So you can tell that corner was really bad. So so we're gonna replace that part right here, there, and to do that we're gonna have to take all those pieces of wood and put a new one on it, and put a good nice they call this it's kind of like a paper weather guard.